In this tutorial, we're going to look at some of the new built-in string searching features available in ES6. So traditionally, you'd use the indexOf function to find out if a substring exists, which will give you back the position in the string where the first instance of the substring occurs, or alternatively -1 if the substring doesn't exist. So to make life simpler, in ES6 we can use the includes function, which will give us a true or false value back to indicate whether the substring is present in the string that you're calling the includes function on. You can also pass an offset to the includes function, which will skip a certain amount of characters in the string before checking for the existence of the substring. The other things we can do are to check if the string starts with a certain substring, and there's also a corresponding endsWith function. You can also pass offsets to the startsWith and endsWith functions to actually trim parts of the string. Although for clarity of code, it's probably better to trim the original string and then just call the endsWith or startsWith function on the newly trimmed string. And finally, ES6 does provide one more string function, which is the repeat function. So in ES5 you'd need to use a for loop to produce a repeated string, but now we can just call the repeat function with the number of times that we want to repeat a string to create a new string. So that's the new string functions in ES6.